What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another garage video. Today is not a very good garage video day. After the last round 6 Black Sky Nioa, we found some damage on the new quad. So we got to get her fixed up for this coming week's race. This girl's ready to go, but we did not get a long enough test ride on her. So I could take a chance and run this quad, but I would rather just fix the black quad. We'll get this knocked out quick. I already know how this quad performs. I'm used to her. Might as well not mess up with any of that kind of stuff. So until I can get a ride on this girl that's like an hour plus, I'd rather just let this girl sit here shiny and new, and she can stay put. Obviously, if we do break this quad bad enough and we have no choice, then yeah, we're gonna have to race this girl. But we'll show you guys the damage. This is what we found after cleaning her. You can see that right there. That is a crack. And try to get the camera in here good. Right here, that is another crack. All right. So we saw this after washing her after the last race. I'm trying to scrub it, like thinking it's just mud or, you know, maybe a scratch. Go to run my finger across it. Sure as shit, it's a friggin' crack. Now, I will say that I did not hit anything. I bumped a couple trees with the front end, but nothing that was bad. All right, you guys saw at Knobby Acres, I tagged the tree on the front end. That doesn't affect the rear end of the quad. I have not flipped this quad. I have not rolled it. I have not had any serious kind of crash. All right, so I've seen this before, and before everyone goes crazy in the comments, you know, a lot of people are saying, well, it's because you powder coated the swing arm. All right, so I've been powder coating these quads for the past 10 years, guys. 10 years, 2 to 3 swing arms a year. I've been powder coating them along with the frames. All right. Half of this frame is cast aluminum. The whole front section, the uppers, and the rear. All right. The lower steel, but everything else is aluminum, cast aluminum like the swing arm. So if that was an issue with powder coating, then why isn't the frame cracking? All right. Now, yeah, if I tag a tree hard enough, I'm going to crack the frame. All right. I've seen these things crack non-powder coated just as often as I've seen them powder coated. So I don't know. I think maybe the casting isn't the same like they used to be maybe years ago. I got a swing arm up there that I took off the practice quad that was 100 hours it had on it. 100 hours, all right? Not a problem with it, all right? This one we didn't powder coat. You guys can see we left that one alone only because it came off that 2018 quad. It was mint, it was good to go, so why waste money on buying new bearings and new bushings and new seals? I just threw that in there, you know what I mean? So I was almost going to use this one. We had 2. We do have a spare, luckily. When we did the black quad, we sent Herb 2 of these just as a spare. So we got to use it now, which stinks. It definitely stinks, guys. It sucks, but whatever. You guys can drop in the comments what you think the cause was. I've already had people send me messages and pictures of their stock swing arm, non-powder coated, just like that, with cracks in the same exact spot. So maybe they're just not built like the way you used to build them. Maybe they're a little weaker now. Who the hell knows? But anyway, enough yapping. We got to get this girl fixed up. We're going to do the disassembly in time lapse, and we'll do the reassembly in real time. So let's get to work. She's looking good. She's back on all fours. We do just got to put our heel guards on. That will be in a new video because I'll tell you guys that we did get some new heel guards. We did have some, we did break a heel guard at Ditch Banger. So we had one of the mounts. I'll show you guys. You can see that mount right there. This guy right here. This broke off like that, and it goes like this. All right. So that broke off. Definitely a bummer. Didn't have a lot of time on these. 15 hours or so. I don't know. Those are the HMFs. I'll show you guys what they look like when they're on. You can see right there. So we got some new ones. They are under there. It's going to be a separate video because we got some different ones. First production set, first legit production set. I guess I have them. So they will be released pretty soon, but you guys will just have to keep an eye on that video to see what we're going to put on here. So that's a wrap. We still got to do some race prep. We got to do the air filter. We got to throw the plastics back on. I might clean this girl one more time. She's still a little dirty, not horrible, but the last race was kind of a mutter. So another quick wash. I might just do that. And then we'll lube the chain. We do need to grease that pivot bolt. We'll grease the linkage, get all the plastics on her, shine her up, and we can load her up into the camper. And she's gonna be good to go to the race. Fuel her up, probably change the oil, but that's quick and easy. I'm not gonna video that. But that's a wrap for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Drop some comments, let me know what you think. And if you're not yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.